Hey guys!
We're TADM Collections.
And we're doing
a squishy trade with Heypidgetoys.
That's right.
We're doing a squishy trade with Heypidgetoys.
We each went on to banggood.com, spent $35 for one another, and sent the squishies to each other.
Took a while to get here, but they got here.
They did. And now we have all of them, and we're ready to see what we got.
But first, let's check out what we saw while we were shopping for Paige.
Okay, let's see what we got here.
Ooh, s'mores.
That looks really cute. This sheep, though,
Ooh, I love that.
It's such a cute sheep.
I've seen it unboxed before, and it's so adorable.
The faces.
Oh yeah, they're different.
Nice.
I definitely think we should get one for Paige.
That pastel
yeah.
one is so perfect.
And it's a licensed squishy, and this could be the big squishy we send her.
Oh,
yeah.
Yeah, I think
I
it'd
like
be
that
good.
idea.
The one with the white face is my favorite because it's like squinting.
Yeah.
I can't believe they have Yummy Bear stuff on Banggood.
Oh yeah,
Toothpaste.
Love that toothpaste. Ooh,
And-
banana.
Yeah, that is an awesome banana.
I love that pie.
That pie is super cute.
No poops.
No poops for our friend. Maybe this hamster though.
Yeah, the hamster's pretty nice.
Ooh, look at that.
those French fries.
Look at. Did you guys see the ice cream cone?
Frenchie.
Ooh, that kitty. That kitty is so cute.
It really is.
There's more poop.
Yeah, that poop's pretty hot.
Cows.
Yes, Pidge likes cows. She said that in a lot of her videos.
Is it a
And
big
she likes chickens too.
Oh, get him. Oh,
Chicken
how convenient.
sickle.
A big stack of flapjacks.
Oh yeah, pancakes.
Ooh.
Oh, that ice cream cone.
We have those, the hot dog. Alright, what else? What else?
Gengar.
A little gnome. Unicorns.
Alright. Just reminding us what we've got so far.
That hedgehog's gonna be great.
I think she has this chicken.
Send her a burger.
Yes. Another banana.
They're pretty popular.
We have that muffin.
Ooh, panda buns.
Oh, we have that sliced bread with the phone in it. Oh yeah, we do. But it does not hold the phone very well.
No. Oh, does that one puke?
It looks
With slime. Those pandas look so cute. Oh my gosh, that bottle, that milkshake is so cute. And the unicorn and those cakes.
Oh.
Those cakes look awesome to squish.
That's sloth. Ooh, ooh.
Gotta send that out.
Yeah.
It's so cute.
Cheeseburger.
The tooth with the headband.
Oh, that little dinosaur's cute. Oh, and the cactus.
I like that cactus a lot.
I love that waffle.
Ooh, look at this kitty. I like his little bow tie. That is so cute.
Those are anime eyes.
Yeah, seriously. Super kawaii. Alright, let's see. There was something that I saw earlier that I'm trying to find. Because I told Pidge she needs a bread squishy, so
100%. Everybody needs a bread squishy.
Yeah.
they're the best.
Ooh.
There it is.
Oh.
That's the one I wanted.
Ah,
The alien from Toy Story.
Yes.
I think that's the one we need to send to her.
Yeah. 100%.
I don't know about this one. It looks cute, but it doesn't look very soft. We for sure need one of these, but I don't know what color. Ooh.
I kind of like the
Oh,
Or these chickens on popsicle sticks. Those look so cute. Also not really sure on the color. I do like that yellow though. These are kind of silly.
yeah, they are.
Kind of weird.
They look kind of soft.
Oh, there's only the pink option.
Mmm.
Well, these ones are way cuter than those
That's
other ones.
Gotta
Yeah.
send a hedgehog.
finger crinkles.
I do think that we saw Pidge open these. Yeah, and this one's the only one that's available. I'm pretty sure she has that. This doesn't look as cute as I thought it was. That, though,
That one's really cute.
Does this look as cute as you thought it was?
kind of Sailor Moonish. Ooh, this one's super cute, though.
Oh yeah.
It looks like a galaxy.
Like
Looks really soft.
Yeah, a Pikachu in costume. This is a really cute kawaii toast, though. Maybe this one instead. But it says Merry Christmas on it. These look really soft. I hear the pink one's the softest? Maybe.
Well, if it is, then we have to send the pink one.
Right? We gotta get the pink one if it's the softest. There's so many squishies on this website.
There really are.
A big watermelon.
A giant watermelon.
Like whatever you want. If you want it squishy, you can get it squishy.
It'll be here. That is such a cute hamburger.
Like
a little
burger.
bunny burger.
the hamburger with a rabbit face. There's a
That's
squishy
really
for
cute.
everybody.
Absolutely. Every bunny. Silly. What else is there? I don't know. This is really cute. I like that one that looks like a fox. Or the other one kind of looks like a panda. That's
I
super
like the
cute.
panda. That looks unsure of how he got in this predicament.
Why am I in this cup? Yeah, let's maybe get one of those.
Oh yeah.
Alright guys, we got all 3 of Pidge's packages she sent poured out into this little basket. There are a lot of squishies in here, you guys.
So
It's
many.
full.
Yeah.
We cannot believe that we just received this many squishies from our good friend Heypidgetoys. Let's see what's inside
Yeah,
here,
let's
guys.
dig into this thing.
I'm just gonna grab some.
Yeah.
Yeah.
On the top. Oh my god! This one is so cute. We saw this one when we were shopping. It's the Kibru Milkshake Squishy, and it says milkshake right there, guys.
It's pretty.
That's amazing. All right, it's got resealable packaging. Let's get it opened.
Don't eat. It says right down the package, don't eat.
Yeah, it's very important never to eat your squishies, or then you can never squish them again. Okay, let's see. It's so soft, you guys. Okay, check that out. That's beautiful. This is so soft and so pretty. All right, let's do a squeeze test. Let's see how squishy this
Gotta
is.
see it.
I don't know how. Okay, maybe like this. Oh no, it's so soft.
Ooh.
Oh, your handprints.
Finger.
Finger crinkles.
So slow rising.
Oh.
It's so soft.
Amazing.
That is so cute.
Look at how slow it rises.
We definitely wanted this one. And you guys, this smells amazing. This smells so sweet and so nice. This is such a great squishy. I can't wait to see what else she has for us.
Excellent.
Excellent, excellent.
I think I will grab the next squishy.
What'd you find?
Oh my gosh.
Is that a dinosaur?
That is a dinosaur.
Really cute.
These colors are hot.
Tried to eat its way out of the packaging.
It's adorable.
Nom nom nom.
I love squishy. Well,
What's on the back of it? Do not eat again, you know, very
yeah,
important.
don't eat the dinosaur. Do you guys want to see what's inside?
Yes. Open it.
Oh.
He's so cute.
Those pearly whites.
Oh my
Look at
gosh.
that mouth, man.
That's great.
Finger for scale.
I bet he can eat lots of squishy fruits.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Kind of reminds me of Pac-Man.
A little bit.
Give him a squish. Ooh. That's hilarious.
That's too
You
cute.
can make him open and close his mouth.
Oh man. It's like a medium soft, I'd say.
It's pretty squishy.
Yeah, it's squishy and it's also a little firm.
Does it have a scent?
No. Well, it's got the like squishy scent, you know, where
Generic squishy.
yeah. Look at his little nostrils. The detail's incredible.
He's super cute.
I just love the mouth.
Huge.
Amazing.
All right.
Amazing.
What else do you think she sent us?
Okay, I'm gonna go next, you guys.
What's in there? What's in there? Oh, that has a face. Aw. A little bit squishy.
Oh no, this bag's open a little.
Uh-oh.
He's a little dirty.
Little.
This is cute packaging. I love this little mushroom house with that rainbow.
Super cute.
Oh, it's a mushroom bunny.
Munching on a carrot.
I didn't realize it was like had a mushroom cap on.
I didn't either. That's so cute. He's really soft. Like so soft.
Ooh.
Oh,
Wow.
Oh,
that's a squish.
it's super slow rising.
Ooh.
Wow.
So
Like that.
perfect.
Look at his ear.
He's really cute.
That's adorable.
Wonderful.
He smells like anything. He smells kind of sweet, but mostly just like average squishy.
Interesting.
I love that.
Cute. All right. So far we've seen a lot of really good squishies. I really can't believe the selection that we've received so far, but I can't wait to see what else there is.
Yeah.
They're so cute so far.
What is left?
Allow me to jam my hand into the basket now and withdraw a squishy.
Ooh, what is it?
I have obtained a cow!
Oh man!
Is this the same kind of cow? Is this the same cow?
That's the same cow. Did we send her that color too?
I don't remember.
Oh man. It's from Aridi.
A Reedy, another licensed squishy.
Here's the back. Do not eat.
Oh, okay.
Oops.
Tried to make it dramatic and it wasn't.
Look at how shiny.
Oh,
That's so cute.
the sheen on it.
Stars in her eyes.
Yeah, glimmering eyes.
The horns. Oh, it's so soft.
I didn't think it was gonna be that big.
It's like a whole handful.
Yeah,
Look at that.
that's a
So
nice
cute.
squishy.
That's a whole cow.
Wow.
Nice.
That was satisfying. Not too slow, not too fast.
I love that. Oh, this cow is so cute.
Does he have a scent?
I hope it doesn't smell like cow. No scent, I'm afraid.
No
A
scent.
scentless cow.
That's adorable.
I'm in love with this squishy.
We both wondered if we were gonna send each other any of the same ones, and it looks like here's one. So far
At
we
least
did.
one.
Cow.
It's a great squishy.
Great minds do think alike.
She's got great taste.
All right. Looks like there's still some stuff in here. Should I go with a big one or a little one? I can feel two different sizes.
Little one.
Yeah,
Again,
little one.
Got
Okay.
another one.
Gotta do it. All right, it looks like we've got a hamburger.
No way.
Is this the one we were looking at too?
Yeah.
It is. The
The bunny burger.
Oh, it is. It's Vlampo, guys. Hamburger. This packaging's great.
Now,
Slow rise squishy.
can you eat that one?
I'm gonna have to go with don't eat it. I don't know if it says. Yeah, don't eat this product. No,
Drinks.
Donnie, you can't.
Okay.
But we can squish it. Oh, you guys, it's so soft. It's so soft.
Oh my gosh.
Look how beautiful. And it's, oh look, it's squished from being in the package. It's still rising from being in the mail.
Gosh.
Ooh, I can smell it from here. It's got a very, very strong scent. Maybe of like, I want to say Fruit Loops, guys. Kind of smells
Really?
like cereal,
Really?
which is a good smell.
That's awesome.
All right, let's squish him even though he's not risen back.
Oh,
Amazing.
yeah.
I love that.
Look at the expression on his face.
He doesn't want to get eaten, guys.
No.
Oh no, it's so soft.
Oh.
That looks really good.
Can I have a guest squish?
Yes, an appearance squish.
Oh. Oh.
Ooh,
Oh.
That's a soft squishy.
that is such a good one.
That's a
isn't
good
it?
one.
Is it like squishing real bread?
Yeah.
Pretty much.
It
Pretty
is.
much. It's funny, we didn't send you this one. We looked at this one to send to Pidge, but we did send her a licensed Vlampo squishy, so hopefully hers is just as soft as this one.
I think there's only one left, and I gotta be the one to open it. Yeah.
All right, Travis, open the last one. Show us our last squishy.
It's a gigantic
Whoa.
ice cream cone!
That's amazing.
Oh my gosh.
That is gigantic.
2 scoops, each scoop with its own face.
Adorable. That's huge.
Wow.
Wow. Do not eat. Again.
Do big this time, big bowl, do not eat. This is made by Sunny Squishy.
All right. Well, let's see this guy out of packaging.
Oh, this is the easiest packaging I've ever opened.
That is so adorable.
It's so soft and it's got so much weight to it that it's like I have to cradle it with my hand.
That's amazing.
I love all of the little ridges on the ice cream, the little bow up at the top.
Oh, that's
Oh my
cute.
gosh.
Nice
The
addition.
waffle ridges.
Oh yeah.
Great.
Ooh,
Oh.
that looks
yeah.
so.
Oh, it rises so fast!
Sometimes we like a fast rising squishy.
Yeah.
Wow.
Whoa.
That
Oh,
looks so soft.
it just springs back.
So fast.
Does
All
it
right.
have a scent?
Does it have a scent? It doesn't.
No.
No scent.
Just a regular squishy, huh?
Standard factory issue, no scent squishy here.
All right. Well, that's adorable.
This is fine.
Yeah.
All right. So after opening all of these squishies, I really, 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 really want to try something out. Bear with me really quick. All right, you guys. From the second I saw Donnie open up this little teeny tiny dinosaur, I had to see him eat something. And I think this burger is gonna be the perfect snack for him.
Yes.
He's ready for a bunny burger.
He needs a snack, guys. Na-na-na-na. All right, let's see. Check it out. Gonna get it in there. It's like perfect size.
It really is.
Ready? Ah, chomp. Why do I love that? Why is that so funny to me? You just munch on that. These are amazing.
So great.
Oh.
Yummy.
All right, here's what we were sent from our friend Heypidgetoys.
Thank you, Paige.
These were amazing to open.
They really were. They were so soft, and some of them had a pretty good scent to them.
Some of the best squishies I think we've ever gotten.
Definitely. There's a big variety from characters to some food. I really enjoyed opening all of these. I loved all of their colors.
Oh yeah, good colors.
Good squish. So, what was everyone's favorite squishy?
Obviously the T-Rex. I mean, it's amazing. It's got a big mouth with a lot of teeth on it, and you just don't see that in squishies.
So cute.
I have a tie going on between the bunny burger, the milkshake, and the cow because I really like all three of those a lot.
Those ones are great.
The packaging on the hamburger is the best.
I do think that one has the best packaging.
Mm-hmm. My favorite is the ice cream cone with the 2 scoops.
2 scoops.
2 scoops.
Travis likes that fast rising squishy, huh?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
I think I'm gonna go with, oh, I really liked the Lampo burger because it was so soft, but I wanted the Key Brew milkshake squishy so bad. So that one's my favorite. Well, thank you again so much, Heypidgetoys, for sending us these awesome squishies. Make sure to go over to her channel and check out what we sent her. You already know one of them. She sent it to us too, but we sent her some other ones that I'm sure you guys would love to check out. So we'll link her down in our description box below.
And while you're here, before you leave, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit that bell so you can get alerts for new videos.
And don't forget to head on over to our Instagram.
At TADM Collections.
And we post pictures every single day there.
Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye.